Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing the Tufskinz interior accent trim, the TRD Red. It's going to go in my 2019 Tacoma TRD PRO. Pretty excited to get this done. Give a little pop of color to the interior here. Couldn't wait to get these in, so here's what we're getting. Let's see. So the instructions say to wipe off the area with an alcohol and water mixture, just to make sure it's all cleaned up and it'll stick properly. So I got some on a rag here. Gonna get in there and get it cleaned up. Wipe down with the dry side. So, first one I'm going to do is the smaller piece. Just line it up. And just stick. Just like that. Do the bigger side. I'll show you guys here. So it's got double-sided tape on the back. Just peel that. We'll go on with this one. Make sure you're lined up before you press it in, because it's really strong adhesive. Alright, that looks good to me. Push that in. There we go. Really add some nice color to match with the TRD Pro seats, the red stitching on there. Yeah, really quick, really easy. I plan to be doing a lot more on this Tacoma. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.